It is the third video in the series about the accusative case, and today we are going to discuss how to use accusative case to denote motion. Hello, this is Anna. I'm a Russian language teacher from New York City. It's very nice to see you on my YouTube channel. In the Russian language, we have the position of location versus motion. So it means that in Russian we have two words for where, two words for here, and two words for there. You know that the word for where is где. But we also have another word for where, куда, where to. So for example, I can ask my friend, где ты? Where are you located? Где ты? But if I see that my friend is going somewhere, I will have to ask, where are you going? And the phrase will be куда ты идешь? Куда ты идешь? Same is true for the word here, здесь. So здесь is here for location. Где ты? Я здесь. I'm here. But you may say, come here. Иди сюда. So сюда is the word for to here. Здесь versus сюда. And there is там. Магазин там. The store is over there. But go there is иди туда. Иди туда. So once again we have где versus куда, здесь versus сюда, and там versus туда. Where to where, here to here, there to there. Let me give you a few examples. We're going there because the store is there. Мы идем туда, потому что магазин там. So we are moving, мы идем туда, but the store is not going anywhere, so магазин там. Or they are coming here because I'm waiting for them here. Они идут сюда, потому что я жду их здесь. So they are in motion, they are moving. Они идут сюда, but I'm standing here and not going anywhere. Я здесь. Я жду их здесь. Let's make sure that you know how to conjugate the verb to go. On the basic level, I will say that Russian has two words for to go on foot and to go by vehicle. To go on foot is идти. Я иду, ты идешь, он идет, мы идем, вы идете, они идут. The word for to go by vehicle is ехать. Я еду, ты едешь, он едет, мы едем, вы едете, они едут. Please pay attention that in going on foot, the stress is on the second syllable. In going by vehicle, it's on the first one. Я иду, but я еду. Ты идешь, но едешь. Они идут, but едут. Before we move on to nouns, please translate a few sentences for me. And please write down your answers in the comments below. Alright, great. So let's move on. This opposition of location and motion spreads to adjectives and nouns as well. Listen to this example. Let's say I call my friend and ask, где ты? Where are you? Где ты? And he will say, I am at work. Я на работе. So it's location. He is located in his office, for example. So работа takes е. And you remember that we use preposition на with the word работа, на работе. But let's say I bump into him on the street and I ask, куда ты идешь? Where are you going? Куда ты идешь? And he will say, Я иду на работу. I'm going to work. So here, he is moving, he is in motion. So he will use accusative case for the word работа. Работа is feminine, so it takes у. На работу. So на работе, at work, location, versus на работу, to work, motion. Another example. Где вы? Where are you? Где вы? Мы в ресторане. We are in a restaurant. Мы в ресторане. But куда вы идете? Where are you going? Куда вы идете? Мы идем в ресторан. We are going to a restaurant. Мы идем в ресторан. So here, ресторан didn't change at all because it's masculine inanimate. And you remember that in accusative case, masculine inanimate stays the same as nominative. But in the first question, in the restaurant, ресторан took е, в ресторане. So в ресторане, in the restaurant, в ресторан, to the restaurant. More. Где они живут? Where do they live? Где они живут? Они живут в Москве. They live in Moscow. Они живут в Москве. So it's location. They are located in Moscow. So Москва loses a and adds е. But куда они едут? Where are they going? By vehicle, right? Куда они едут? Они едут в Москву. They are going to Moscow. Они едут в Москву. Here, Москва took the u, accusative feminine case ending, в Москву. So have you noticed already that in Russian, в means both in and to, and на also means both on and to, right? It's just the case that follows that will differentiate them. So в Москве, в Москву. And one more example. Мои друзья живут в Санкт-Петербурге. My friends live in St. Petersburg. Мои друзья живут в Санкт-Петербурге. Санкт-Петербург, masculine, takes the year. Versus Я еду в Санкт-Петербург. I'm going to St. Petersburg. Motion. Я еду в Санкт-Петербург. So Санкт-Петербург here remains unchanged because it's masculine inanimate. So when it comes to motion, when it comes to places, you only have basically two options. You either don't change the word at all because the place is masculine inanimate and all places are inanimate. Or you attach the u if the place is feminine. And please pay attention to the endings you use because it may cause confusion. For example, if you mean that you are in the office, в офисе, but you forget to use the е and say just в office, I will think that you mean you're going to the office, and vice versa. So these endings are very, very important. Okay, now let's have some practice. So please translate the following sentences and write down your answers in the comments below. Alright, that is it for today. Thank you so much for being with me today. I hope this video was useful. If you enjoyed it, please let me know with your likes and comments. They are very important for me. And remember that it's never too late to join Russian from the Heart online music marathon. The link is below. Спасибо. Пока.